wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Taylor wig by Noriko in the color Champagne R. You've seen this cut probably a couple times by now. It's very similar to the Mina by Jon Renau, as well as the Emery by Estetica. They're very similar cuts. So before I do anything else, let me go ahead and show you what Taylor looks like on all sides in the Champagne R, and then I'll give you some more details about this cut. So this is a beautiful, dramatic gradient bob. So check out the difference between the front and the nape. The front is 13.75 inches at its longest, so it hits me right below the clavicle. And the back is only 2.75 inches. So that's a really sharp angle. Looks very fashionable, very cool. Like I said, this is very similar to Mina and Emery. I would say that this actually has a little bit less hair density than either of those other two though, which makes this one the lightest density of the bunch. The hair feels very, very silky. Noriko fiber tends to be really nice. So this is a really excellent fiber, moves really well, looks really chic in this color. Here is what that lace front looks like, because this one has a temple-to-temple lace front. And here is what the monofilament part there looks like. It's beautiful. It moves really well. It's just a really cute, very, very sharply angled bob. Very cool. Let me go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. I'm really impressed with this one. I think this one's really work appropriate and will look really chic. So we've got that monofilament side part. It's going to be on the left, and it's going to have temple to temple lace front. It's rounded but not entirely contoured, so it doesn't have that little bump in the center. It does have permatease. Most Noriko wigs do. The permatease here is going to be on the right hand side, so it's going to be opposite of where the parting is. And so it's going to be open on the sides and the back, as well as at the nape. It'll adjust a bit like a bra strap back there. Let me show you some of this permatease going on. It does have permatease, but the great thing about this particular style is that it doesn't have a ton of it, just enough to obscure those tracks on top. I love this Champagne R color. Such a pretty rooted blonde. Isn't that great? This is such a great little professional style. I like this one. I give it a thumbs up. This is the Taylor by Noriko, which by the way fits tight on me. Almost all Noriko wigs fit really tight on me, so this one's no exception. Very true to size. Average cap size, by the way. And the color here is Champagne R. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for checking out Taylor with me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Be sure to subscribe, share, you know the drill. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.